Some days you don't choose between fishing and family, you take both. This is the Boston Whaler 350 Realm, built in Edgewater, Florida. 65 years of unsinkable hulls behind every chine. The kind of boat that doesn't ask if the water's right, it just goes. Triple Mercury outboards, 1,200 horses on the transom. You're past the inlet at first light. Bahamas by lunch. The hull eats chop, the spray clears the foredeck, and the afternoon weather never gets a chance to catch you. Dive door port side, swim platform aft. Cockpit converts from lounge to fishing in under a minute. Your kids on the foredeck at the sandbar. Rods up by 3, 35.5 feet of platform, cabin below for the long weekend. A sea, V-berth, head with a real shower. Seakeeper holds you flat at anchor. 385 gallons of fuel, dry Tortugas, Bimini, the Keys. All of it on one tank. This is the boat that fishes 3 days a week and cruises the family the other 4. Dawn, run to the wreck. Sunset hook, drop off the sandbar. Base camp, under the hardtop, with the kids asleep below. Boston Whaler built it the only way they know. The kind of boat you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.